So the question here is asking what hash table is represented below. And so we have null here, and it seems like we also have a linked list here. And so it's not linear probing because that doesn't involve linked lists. It's not quadratic probing because that also does not involve linked lists. And it's not direct hashing because that does not involve linked lists as well. And so your answer should be separate chaining, right? And I think that this hash table is really useful, especially compared to direct hashing. If you don't want any of your data overwritten and lost, because technically this table is never full. You can continuously add on, as you see here, pointers and nodes to each of your indexes. So yeah.